Lingashatkam is a prayer of 8 invocations offered to Shiva in his aspect as Shiva Lingam, the universal symbol of creation and source of everything. The prayer lists the greatness of Shiva Linga and the benefits of worshipping it. Brahma Murari Sura Archita Lingam, Nirmala Bashitha Shobitha Lingam, Janmja Dukha Vinaska Lingam, that Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam. I bow before that Lingam, which is the eternal Shiva, which is worshipped by Brahma, Vishnu and other Devas, which is pure and resplendent, and which destroys sorrows of birth. Deva Murari Pravarchitha Lingam, Kama Dahana Karunakra Lingam, Ravana Darpa Vinashna Lingam, that Pranamami Sad Shiva Lingam. I bow before that Lingam, which is the eternal Shiva, which is worshipped by great sages and devas, which destroyed the god of love, which showers mercy, and which destroyed the pride of Ravana. Sarv Sukandhi Sulepitha Lingam, Buddhi Vivarthana Karana Lingam, Siddha Sursura Vandita Lingam, that Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam. I bow before that Lingam, which is the eternal Shiva, which is anointed by perfumes, which leads to growth of wisdom, and which is worshipped by sages, devas and asuras. Kanaka Mahamani Bhushita Lingam, Panipthi Veshtitha Shobitha Lingam, Daksha Suyagna Vinasna Lingam, that Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam. I bow before that Lingam, which is the eternal Shiva, which is ornamented by gold and great jewels, which shines with the snake being with it, and which destroyed the Yagna of Daksha. Kumkum Channa Lipita Lingam, Pankaja Hara Sushobitha Lingam, Sanchita Papa Vinasna Lingam, that Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam. I bow before that Lingam, which is the eternal Shiva, which is adorned by sandal paste and saffron, which wears the garland of lotus flowers, and which can destroy accumulated sins. Deva Ganrachita Sevitha Lingam, Bhaver Bhakti Pravesa Lingam, Dinkar Koti Prabhakra Lingam, that Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam. I bow before that Lingam, which is the eternal Shiva, which is served by gods and other beings, which is the doorway for devotion and good thought, and which shines like billions of suns. Ashta Dalopri Veshtitha Lingam, Sarv Samudbhava Karana Lingam, Ashta Daridra Vinasna Lingam, that Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam. I bow before that Lingam, which is the eternal Shiva, which is surrounded by 8 petals, which is the prime reason of all riches, and which destroys 8 types of poverty. Suraguru Suravara Pujitha Lingam, Suravana Pushpa Sadarchita Lingam, Paratparam Parmantmaka Lingam, that Pranamai Sada Shiva Lingam. I bow before that Lingam, which is the eternal Shiva, which is worshipped by the teacher of gods, which is worshipped by the best of gods, which is always worshipped by the flowers from the garden of gods, which is the eternal abode, and which is the ultimate truth. Lingashtkam idam punyam padet Shiva sannidhav, Shivalokam avapnoti Shive na sahmodathe. Anyone who chants the holy octet of the Lingam in the holy presence of Lord Shiva would in the end reach the world of Shiva and keep him company. Lingashtkam Stotram is included in the list of the most chanted Shiva mantras. Shaiva priests consider it to be greatly auspicious to chant the Lingashtkam during Shivratri nights. Regular recitation of Lingashtkam is the most powerful way to please Lord Shiva and get his blessings. A devotee should chant this stotram in the early morning and evening in front of the Shiva picture or linga to get connected with the Supreme God and get the desired results.
If you enjoyed this video, please share, subscribe, like, and follow our page.